Checkup, brought to you by Dignity Health St. John's Hospitals.
When shoulder arthritis is advanced, a shoulder replacement can often relieve the pain. Orthopedic surgeon Dr. Stephan Sweet says that St. John's Hospital Camarillo offers two types of replacements.
Primary shoulder replacements, it's where you replace the ball and the socket into their anatomic positions, just like you were born with, but with metal and plastic components. And then there's people who need reverse shoulder replacements, where we put the head where the cup is and the cup where the ball is. The biggest benefit of shoulder replacement is the fact that you can regain some of your quality of life. These surgeries can really remove their pain and often will improve their function. We have people playing golf 6 weeks after surgery after reverse shoulder replacement.
To find an orthopedist near you, call the number on your screen or visit dignityhealth.org/St. John's Camarillo.